Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Altima AC compressor is probably one of the most crucial components for a comfortable driving experience, especially during those scorching summer months. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AC compressors, specifically for the 2012 Nissan Altima. We'll explore the different types available, their performance, and what to look for when choosing the right one to keep you cool on the road. Number 5. A Premium AC Compressor for Nissan Altima Sentra. This is the A Premium AC Compressor, designed for your Nissan Altima and Sentra. It comes with a clutch and is ready to install, ensuring a smooth and efficient cooling experience for your vehicle. The compressor type is DCS171C, with 6 pulley grooves. It includes a clutch and comes pre-filled with oil, along with O-rings. This ensures everything you need for a complete installation. This AC compressor fits Nissan Altima 2.5L models from 2007 to 2012, and Sentra 2.5L models from 2007 to 2012. Please note that for Altima, it fits gas models from 2007 to 2011. This compressor is also known by these reference numbers, including CO10886C and many more. You can easily find the right fit for your car. Make sure this AC compressor fits your car by using Amazon's Garage feature. Match the photos with your existing AC compressor to ensure a perfect fit. Installation is straightforward. A Premium offers a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee on this air conditioning compressor. We provide a wide variety of automotive accessories, so you can drive with confidence. What we like. This A Premium compressor comes with everything you need for a straightforward installation. It fits a wide range of Nissan Altima and Sentra models, ensuring compatibility. If you're looking for a hassle-free replacement with peace of mind, you should consider this one. What people say. The AC compressor works perfectly. The AC compressor is a direct fit and works great. The AC compressor arrived quickly and was exactly what I needed. Number 4. A Premium AC Compressor with clutch for Nissan Altima. This is a brand new AC compressor from A Premium, designed to fit your Nissan Altima. It comes with a clutch and is ready to install, ensuring your car's air conditioning works perfectly. This compressor is specifically designed for Nissan Altima models with a 3.5L engine from 2007 to 2012. Please note that it is not compatible with the 2.5L engine. Make sure it fits your car before purchasing. The compressor type is DCS171C, using PAG46 oil and R134A refrigerant. It has 7 pulley grooves and includes a clutch. The oil is pre-filled with 100 milliliters, with a 10 milliliters tolerance. This AC compressor is a direct OE replacement. Please match the photos with your existing AC compressor before purchase. You can also use Amazon's Garage to confirm fitment. A Premium offers a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee on this AC compressor. We provide a wide range of automotive accessories, so you can drive with confidence knowing that you are covered. What we like. This A Premium compressor is designed specifically for the 3.5L engine, ensuring optimal performance. It's a direct OE replacement, making installation easier. If you have a 3.5L Altima and want a reliable, guaranteed fit, this is the one for you. What people say. The AC compressor arrived quickly and was exactly as described. The AC compressor fit perfectly and was easy to install. The AC compressor is working great and blowing cold air. Number 3. ECCPP AC Compressor for Nissan Altima Sentra 2.5L. This ECCPP air conditioning compressor is designed for energy efficiency. It is built to meet OEM standards, ensuring optimal performance and saving energy. This compressor fits 2007 to 2012 Nissan Altima 2.5L and Sentra 2.5L models. It is a direct fit replacement, ensuring easy installation. The compressor uses PAG46 oil and has 6 pulley grooves with a 127 mm diameter. The compressor type is DCS171C, with an internal oil content of 130 milliliters. The air conditioning compressor is the core of the system. This ECCPP compressor provides excellent performance and is tested to meet OEM standards. This is a brand new compressor, 100% tested before leaving the factory. It includes the AC compressor and clutch, ensuring high quality and reliability. The package includes both the AC compressor and the clutch. All compressors are pressure tested with nitrogen for leaks to ensure their quality. What we like. This ECCPP compressor is engineered for quiet operation, ensuring a comfortable ride. It's tested to meet OEM standards, guaranteeing quality and reliability. If you value a smooth and quiet air conditioning experience, you should consider this. What people say. The AC compressor arrived quickly and was a perfect fit for my 2012 Nissan Altima. The installation was straightforward, and the AC now blows cold air. Number 2. BuyAutoParts AC Compressor for Nissan Altima 2.5L. This AC compressor is designed for easy installation, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. It's engineered to meet the exact specifications of your Nissan Altima, saving you time and hassle. This product is brand new and built to the highest standards. It meets or exceeds OEM specifications, providing you with reliable performance and peace of mind. Built for long-lasting performance, this compressor is backed by a 1-year, unlimited mileage warranty. This means you can trust it to keep your car cool for miles to come. This kit includes a brand new clutch, pulley, and coil, ensuring all components work seamlessly together. It utilizes the original mounting points and hose connections for a straightforward installation. This AC compressor is specifically designed to fit all 2007 to 2012 Nissan Altima models with a 2.5L 4-cylinder engine, except for the Altima Hybrid. It's the perfect solution to restore your car's air conditioning. What we like. This BuyAutoParts compressor guarantees an exact fit, simplifying the installation process. It's built with premium quality and backed by a 1-year warranty. If you prioritize ease of installation and long-term reliability, you should consider this. What people say. Works as it should. Getting temps at center vents 45 degrees while driving. Perfect fit, just need to add 4 ons. Oil before install. Number 1. UAC KT 4826 AC Compressor and Component Kit. This is a brand new, OE replacement kit from UAC. It's designed to get your air conditioning system running smoothly again. You can trust its quality. This kit is a direct replacement for your original compressor. It's built to the same specifications as the factory part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. The kit is lab tested in the United States to meet or exceed OEM specifications. It's made with premium ISO TS 16949 quality, so it's built to last. Make sure it fits your car. Add your car's year, make, and model to confirm the kit is compatible. This will ensure it works perfectly with your vehicle. This kit is compatible with several part numbers, including 68664, 651, 2409, 140263, 92600JA00A, 92600ZN40B, 92600ZX50A, and 92600ZE90B. These numbers ensure you're getting the right part. What we like. This UAC kit offers a brand new, OE replacement compressor. It's lab tested to meet or exceed OEM specifications, ensuring top-notch performance. If you like a complete kit with premium quality, you should consider this. What people say. The AC compressor arrived quickly and was a perfect fit for my 2012 Nissan Altima. The compressor works great and the air is ice cold again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.